Oliver just got back from 5 years on an uncharted island.
He's very well connected and has friends in the district attorney's office. Protective custody?
Your go-to place.
We don't hear either.
Nice to meet you. Declared legally dead 5 years ago.
Why did the defendant walk into Oliver Queen's campaign office? He used to testify, and one actually tried pleading the fifth.
Why would he be? Only burn his face off in a fiery fit of Lazarus Rave.
Yeah.
Look, you know those crime scene photos that Ollie showed us?
Where's Idol? No!
Do it. If I would die, I would have it on the same ground as Sarah.
New frequency, same cry.
It was right. There's no...
Guess you decided you didn't need anyone's protection.